Hi friends, welcome to Bogatell Beach in Barcelona, Spain, a haven of tranquility and beauty. Today, we'll take you on a peaceful beach walk along the calm waters and sandy shores. The sun is shining brightly, making it the perfect day for a relaxing outing. Before we begin, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell notification. As we stroll along the beach, you'll notice the serene waves gently lapping against the shore. The golden sand stretches out before us, inviting you to kick off your shoes and feel the warmth beneath your feet. Bogatell Beach is an ideal spot for both locals and tourists to unwind. Families and friends gather here to enjoy the sunny weather, play games, and bask in the soothing atmosphere. Look around and see people lounging under colorful umbrellas, children building sandcastles, and couples walking hand in hand. The beach is alive with the sounds of laughter and the gentle murmur of the sea. The vibrant energy of Barcelona is perfectly balanced with the peaceful ambience of Bogatell Beach, creating a unique and inviting environment. Whether you're here for a swim, a leisurely walk, or simply to enjoy the view, this beach offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As we continue our walk, take a moment to appreciate the stunning scenery around you. The clear blue sky, the sparkling water, and the distant cityscape combine to create a picturesque setting that is truly unforgettable. Notice the well-maintained promenade parallel to the beach, perfect for a casual stroll or bike ride. This area is also home to a variety of cafes and restaurants where you can indulge in delicious Spanish cuisine while enjoying the ocean view. Bogatell Beach is not just about relaxation, it's also a place where you can engage in various water sports. Kayaking, windsurfing, and paddleboarding are popular activities that add a dash of adventure to your beach day. As the day progresses, the beach transforms into a beautiful sunset haven. The sky is painted with hues of orange and pink, reflecting on the calm waters and creating a mesmerizing view. In the evening, the beach comes alive with music and social gatherings. Locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the cooler temperatures and the lively atmosphere, making it a perfect spot for evening relaxation. Thank you for joining us on this serene beach walk. Enjoy the rest of your day at Bogatell Beach, where relaxation and beauty go hand in hand.